It's me, Udit. Today I'm there with a science experiment. So the name of my science experiment is Candle Fun. So let's see how to do it. First, take the colored water and pour it into the plate. Now take one candle. Place the candle, then burn it. After that, close it with this. So you have seen the candle is turned off and the water level is right still here. Now let's mark it with a rubber band. After both the candles are lit, now we have to cover it with the glass. As you can see, more than the before, the water level has increased. So now we'll mark it with the rubber band. The science behind this experiment is when the candle is burnt, it burns, the air around the candle gets heated, so the air gets expanded. When we cover it with the glass, the candle burns only with the oxygen that is present inside the glass. As the oxygen is exhausted, the candle will turn off. Here, the air will get cooled and the density will decrease. So, what happens is, the air will try to get inside. Due to the air pressure, the water gets sucked in. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.